Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing back to school supplies from Wish that are under or £1 only, which is very cheap and affordable, and that's exactly what we like in back to school supplies. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So the Wish site is basically a bunch of sellers that sell different items. Some of them are free and you only have to pay postage, and some of them are really just affordable. These are the things that are under architecture. I really wanted to try that drawing pad, but I think it was 17 to 20 pounds and I didn't want to take my chances. So some items are faster shipping, so it takes only a few days to ship, and some of them takes 1 month because I ordered my items on July 5th or 7th and I got them a week ago, so about a month. So for the first item that I got is and it was £1 and it was on sale from £7, but nobody's gonna believe that. I think it looks better on camera than it looks in real life. Like the front cover and the back cover looks a little cheap, but it's only £1, so you pay what you get for. But I think it's a really great little sketchbook because it's brown, so a lot of pastel colors and whites and stuff would look really nice on it. I'm gonna be using my micron pens just to check and see if they bleed, and also have a sip of coffee because wow, that was a long paragraph. So yes, they didn't bleed, which is very good. I'm gonna be trying a marker now and it looks okay. I think it does look darker on the sketchbook than the white paper, but that's only because it's brown and white paper, and it did bleed a little bit, but that's understandable. In my opinion, I give these a thumbs up. So when I first got this, it was kind of like a tool or like a game. I didn't know how to use it. I even showed it to my dad and he was like, what the hell is this for? I mean, if you have any weird angles, it could. I wanted to try it on a weird angle, but thankfully we don't have any weird angles at home. It does feel cheap, like it's plastic. I would have thought it would have been heavier. It's very lightweight, and these handle thingies, black circle thingies, are very cheap as well. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. To be honest, I was so excited for these pens because they were only £2, and I've been trying or looking for these kind of pens everywhere, and I think every time I seen them they were too expensive for me or I was too cheap. I think they work really well. I think these are really good to have in your school supplies. The white was not as white as I would like it to be, but the silver and gold, they were amazing, and they work well on the brown paper as well as the white paper, and as you can see, it also goes on top of the markers beautifully, so I think these are a big thumbs up. So the next item is Touch 5 Sketch Markers Dual Head Professional Art Markers. Markers. And as you can see, I've been trying to click on the item to show you, but it's error. But if I click on something else, then it suddenly opens. So basically on the website, it showed me the markers, all of them, and you had to choose between white and black, and it was for only £1. So I said to myself, all those markers, like 72 markers for only £1. This has to be a ruse. Either it's dried up, or it's fake, or I don't know, or they don't work. I did not expect to get only one pen, and they didn't even let me choose the color. They said white or black and I got pink. What? But anyway, it's £1 for a Touch 5 marker, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I'm crazy, I know, but it works. To be honest, I was really pleasantly surprised because I needed some new sketching pencils, and these were for only £1, so I thought I'll try them, and they work. They're like regular pencils, and I'm just so happy with them. And this time I won't be sad if they get lost because it was only £1, so I can buy always a new one. And as you can see, cross hatching and hatching is very easy in them, and also 6Bs, they're really dark and really good. So these are a big thumbs up from me. Whenever I'm on my laptop or I'm really stressed, my neck really hurts. Only I think it's just stress related. So I thought I'd get this one to see if it helps. It doesn't work. It's literally a piece of fabric. There's batteries inside, but I have no idea how it works. And there's no instructions on the side. And what's annoying is that 12 people have commented. So far so good. Great, thank you. So I'm like, I don't know, did I receive a faulty one? I don't know. So this literally just came the papers, not binded, not in a book, nothing. And as you can see, it doesn't have any dates, any times. All it says is today. And I mean, if you're a procrastinator like me, I need something that says today, tomorrow, 1 week from now, 3 months from now. So this is a big thumbs down for me. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a like and share it to your friends. I'm Rasha Shururu and I'll see you next time.